Good afternoon or good morning, whichever time you are viewing this video. So for the first part of our exercise, number 5 or 4, we're going to download the AutoCAD site plan that you can find here in Slate. Download that and save that to your folder. See, this is a CAD site plan that has three-dimensional contour lines. And the first part of the exercise will see how we can import this file shared by Autocad uh, and bring it into Revit. And then create a contour map from that particular drawing. So let's start by creating a new file using our Sheridan template. Sheridan templates can be downloaded from the homepage under course resource. Click open. And from here, you're going to go to your site plan view. And insert the CAD file. So we're just going to link the CAD file, and then we're going to unlink it. Since it's a huge file, we don't want it to be carried in and embedded into your Revit file. So link CAD, go to the folder where you have downloaded that particular DWG file. Since this is a 3D drawing, we don't want to just see it in our site plan view. So uncheck current view only. Since we're going to unlink this file anyway, you may leave invert. No need to convert it into a black and white. It's actually nice to maybe even preserve the color. Okay, layers. We'll import all the layers and just say auto detect. Auto origin to origin, level 1 is the only option. So orient to view. Uncheck correct lines that are slightly off axis. Once you have all those settings done, click open. Now, depending on the speed of your computer, this might take a while since it's a large AutoCAD file. Once you have the AutoCAD file, you'll notice that if you go to a 3D view, that this is indeed made out of contour lines, and they are plotted in different elevations. You can go to maybe an elevation view to double check. Okay, so those are your contour lines. Okay, let's go back to our site view. And from here, we need to check by selecting your imported or link file, the different layers used for the contours. So there are different layers for the text, for the road, okay, for the north arrow. So we want to query by clicking on this query button right here, the different layers used for the contour. Now you can do this in AutoCAD, or if you have already, if you're the one who drew this, of course you know the layers that you need. So here, we'll just take note of this particular layer. Okay, click on other contours. Okay, that layer. And maybe if you go somewhere out here, Okay, so I think those are the layers that was used. If there are any other layers, it shouldn't matter at this point. So just make sure that you know the layers where those contour lines are placed. Once you know that, then you can go to Massing and Site, create a topo surface, and normally you place points. And if you notice, there are a lot of points that you're going to place to recreate those contour lines. So instead, we're going to create from import, select import instance. Okay. Select, add points from selected layers. All the different layers are currently checked, so you can easily say check none. That will deselect all the currently selected layers and look for the layers that we have queried earlier. I think that one. Okay, intermat CFOB inter and CFOB index, or I think it was dep, not OP. Okay, click OK and let Revit do the work. So it might take a while. There you go. So you have all your points. Notice how many points were placed. And if you click on a point here, you'll notice that that particular point is similar to one of the points that we normally place when we create topo surfaces. And it will have a specific elevation. So that's that elevation right there. And if you go down here, or maybe up, so this here is at this elevation. Okay, so once you're done, click OK, finish surface. And then you can unlink your Autocad file. So maybe select your Autocad file in a 3D view. Zoom out. You know you're selecting your Autocad file because you have that box. Okay, maybe click on that line right there. Select. Or instead of selecting, you can actually go to Manage. Or sorry, Insert, Manage Links. Go to your CAD format. Select the Autocad site plan DWG and unload. Click OK. And now you simply have your topo surface based from your AutoCAD drawing. Okay. So I might have selected more than I needed, but you get the idea. Okay. Go to a shaded view. I might have selected some that are not part of the basic contour. Okay. So do be careful with the contour lines that or layers that you are selecting.